So in today's video, we are going to do a little bit of a refresh in my dining room. I found a super sale at Pier 1, and some chairs that I have been looking at for quite a while are very much on sale. So we will link the chairs in below in case you're interested as well. And then I'm just going to go ahead and clean the dining room, clean the bar area really good in the entry. So come along and see how it transforms.
You've told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind.
I have all of my Easter stuff here that I'm going to pack up. I'm going to keep a lot of the spring stuff out that I just kind of like for this springy time of year. But I'm going to definitely pack up all of my Easter bunny, you know, that kind of decor. Then I've got a really fun, exciting, I am going to be selling these chairs, and I've got 8. They're wood and kind of a leather type of look. They're not real leather, but they're going to be able to clean after a big dinner. They're lighter weight, they're a cream color, and then the dark wood. These chairs, if you can see, are beautiful chairs and whatnot, but they're just a very heavy fabric.
I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me.
That's Mimi's new chair. Is you a big girl? Miranda.
There was a void in my soul. Now I found my true home. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. 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 Like I was falling through the air. No one but myself to hold my hand. Standing in the shadows of what we have been. Sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. Cause tonight we have it all. Cause we're dancing as one. 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 we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned.
So I just wanted to pop in here in this video. It doesn't really have anything to do with my dining room, but I kind of wanted to give you a peek and kind of show you how the website and the blog is working. When you, down below, there will always be a link to the website. And let's see how we can best get this showing here. So this, let me get here. This is what the website, the homepage looks like. And I've got all the different categories and you know, just all kinds of different information and stuff in all of my categories. In here is where you can learn more about me. And okay, whoops. Okay, yeah, when you click on here, you will have, you know, kind of just my backstory. And then click up at the top, it goes back to the home page. And then all the way down here at the bottom is where you can subscribe. You just put your name, your last name, your first name, last name, and your email address, and then you subscribe. Then what will happen? Okay, and so then you will get an email, and you will click on it. You will get a welcome email from me, and then right here, see if it can focus, right here is where you can download the free printable, right here, and then just print it off. So that is how it's working, and I'm getting such great feedback about how it works and how it's helping people. I know I use it. You just click here, and then it will, you know, get ready to download and pop up for you to print out.
I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one.
Wanted to take a quick minute to share with you. I have been doing this. I created this free printable. It is on my website and my blog, and when you excuse me, when you sign up for it, you'll get this free printable. And I have been using this every single day, and what I like about it is it has my to-dos. It has what I need to buy. It has, you know, nutrition, what am I going to eat, meal planning, that kind of thing, making sure I'm getting the water intake that I need. But what I really like about it and what I find is different is I've got three things on here to fill out every day that I'm grateful for. My goals, just two goals, you know what I mean? Daily reach out. That's what I think is really neat, especially in this time. You know, we're kind of isolated in some sorts, and I think it's very easy to just text and, you know, that kind of thing. And sometimes that works, and that's the best way. And I do it, and I get that. But I think it's also important that we go back to talking on the phone, interacting, you know, together, really. So it's got 2 daily reach outs that you can plan, that you're gonna, you know, you're gonna call, you know, Uncle, you know, Jerry or whoever, you know what I mean, that kind of thing, that you are putting your mind to it and you're going to execute it. Daily meditation, that you're accountable for morning and evening meditation, and that you are tracking your movement. If it's for a walk or a bike ride with your family, or, you know, or an actual workout, you're tracking it. And I think that's important, and that's going with your meditation. I think it's really a good combination and very important. Obviously, oh, and 3 things that you like about yourself. I think that's highly important. and then kind of an overall of the day. 3 things I feel like I did well, how I felt today went, and how I can do better. Those are important, and we need to track that and to feel good. So I highly recommend that you go to my website and my blog and sign up for it. It's Heart and Soul Home LLC.com, and we will have a link below. And sign up for it and get this, because it's really cool, and I've really had a lot of great response from it. So I think it's something you will enjoy. So I hope you will give it a shot and give it a try. It's completely free, very simple and easy, and I think it's a lot of really great information. I'm really excited about it. It gives me, the blog gives me a way to go into a lot more areas, information. Down the road, I have a lot of projects that I'm working on in terms of that will be for sale, and just things that I know will, you know, could help me, and it could help so many of you. And that's my whole thing, is just how can I benefit your day-to-day life better, or an event, or how to garden, how to get something going, how to clean, how to decorate. Maybe you really, you know, want to spruce up your home, and so you get an idea from me. I think that is fabulous, and that is my goal, and that is what Heart and Soul is all about. So I really hope you will go and check it out, and tell me what you think.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you, drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. If it's a shot at love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud 9. Baby, I adore you. I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against a red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. If it's a shot at love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud 9. Baby, I adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you, adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control.
Okay, dining room refresh is done. I am so in love with these chairs and the difference that it makes in this room. I'm gonna, we went ahead and repaired the bottom. Some of the bottom was coming undone. So we went ahead and repaired them, and we're going to sell them. So that money will go towards the purchase of these new chairs. But again, they're from Pier 1. We'll link them down below. They made such a great difference, and I mean, just this room just widened and made it brighter and seemed bigger, and I'm just loving it. It's just nice and fresh, and that's exactly what I'm wanting right now in my home. I hope this gave you some motivation, and I hope it gave you an idea to just changing out some chairs and you know, putting a little bit of regular decor out, some lighter, brighter decor, and a little springy kind of summer. you know, what a difference it made. What a difference it makes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoyed looking at the website and how that all works, and to get your free printable, to sign up and everything. I hope you guys will, and leave me some feedback of what you guys think, things you'd like to see, and how you like that printable. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch today, and I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.